sewing program menu has some options of allowing you to program in a length of a stitch, any stitch actually. I'm going to show you on a straight stitch that once you program in how long you want it to stitch, it will repeat it over and over and over. Why would you want this? Let's say you're sewing the same amount of 2-inch squares over and over and over. You start at the same place, you end at the same place. You can actually program in the length of that stitch so it actually stops at the end of the square and you put in your next one. How simple would that be? But the machine doesn't know yet how long that square is, so come into the sewing programs area and choose the little part. It kind of looks like an I-beam or an eye, and you will notice the reverse button comes up. So I'm going to go ahead. The first time we stitch is how you get to tell the machine what you're doing. So I'm going to just sew all the way down, and when I touch the reverse button right here, that's when the machine will know that's the amount of stitches I need. Then it stops. Now, when I go to sew again, I can just step on the foot control, start the same place, and I'll get that same amount of stitch. And it lifts the foot up. Isn't that great? And just notice I'm using the thread cutter on this side just because that would be faster than pushing the button and letting it cut. But look, it will just do the same amount of stitches over and over and over, and you know it's going to stop and start at the exact place every single time.